So it's fastened somewhere up underneath these shingles. So the only way to get this thing unfastened, we gotta take off these shingles. Let's cut all the way over to that one. That's on loose. So I need to get this shingle out and that shingle out. So that's out. Now I have to unseal this one above here, which that's going to be an issue getting up underneath that one without damaging it any worse. But this full length of shingle goes from here, so I have to move everything up there. See, that just tore just by trying to touch it.
It's brittle.
No nail over there. Yep, that's completely loose. It's just gonna be one other nail up in here, so we gotta get that sealed. Oh, look at this.